We guide you through how to force restart any Samsung phone. So the first thing you need to do is to locate your power button and volume down button, then press and hold both buttons at the same time for about 10 to 15 seconds until the screen turns black and the Samsung logo appears, which means your phone is restarting. And if your device has a Bixby button like older models, you may need to press the power volume down and the Bixby button together instead. Keep holding until the boot begins, then release and wait for your phone to turn back on normally. This method is completely safe and doesn't delete any data. It simply forces your phone to reboot when it stops responding and if it doesn't work the first time. Try again while making sure you are pressing the buttons firmly and at the same time use it effectively so your Samsung will restart